If you're studying for the INBDE, I highly recommend INBDE Bootcamp, an all-in-one study resource that will help you pass your exam. Use coupon code MENTALDENTAL for 10% off. Hey everyone, Dr. Ryan here, and welcome back to the channel. If you're currently in dental school studying for your boards or early in your dental career, you've probably had moments where you thought, is dentistry supposed to feel this hard? And the answer is yes, dentistry is hard. It is mentally demanding, physically exhausting, and at times emotionally draining. And honestly, several years out of school myself, even I was surprised by just how hard it can be. We deal with anxious patients, demanding patients, clinical challenges, business decisions, insurance headaches, and the pressure of perfection every single day. And it's a lot. It can be a lot for any one person to handle. But here's the perspective shift I want to share with you today. It should be hard. It's supposed to be difficult because we have a job that offers benefits that 99% of the world would love to have. A job where you can make a six-figure income working 4 days a week, a job with autonomy and flexibility, stability, and the ability to choose where you live. A job that doesn't require constant travel back and forth, endless networking dinners, praying that you can close that sale, or hoping that your commission hits so that you're able to pay your bills. Let's be honest, dentistry gives you an incredible lifestyle, one of the best in healthcare, and that level of reward has to come with a corresponding level of difficulty. And when I finally accepted that dentistry is supposed to be hard and looked directly at all the rewards that come with it, everything started to change for me, and suddenly the difficult days felt less like a sign that I wasn't cut out for this job and more like a sign that I was doing something meaningful. Difficult doesn't mean wrong, difficult means valuable. And here's the part that you might not hear enough. It gets better as well, so much better with time, with repetition, with experience. The procedures that might terrify you today will become your warm-ups tomorrow. The treatment plans that you agonize over will seem so much more obvious later in your career. And the stress that you feel at every clinical speed bump will slowly fade as your confidence grows. Dentistry rewards the long game. It rewards the people who hang in there, who stay curious, who focus on improving just a little bit with each year. And right now, you're living in the greatest era in history at becoming better at dentistry. There's more continuing education opportunities available today than dentists have ever had access to. And not just the expensive stuff, I mean free content, incredibly high quality CE, including full case walkthroughs and technique demonstrations. And you can find this for no cost on YouTube, for example. And if you want to improve your preps, there are videos. If you want to better understand occlusion or implants, endo, aligners, practice management, it's all out there. There's never been a time where you can learn this much this easily. So yes, dentistry is hard, and that doesn't mean there's something wrong with how you're doing things. It means you're on the same path every dentist before you has walked. It means you're doing something that matters, something that changes lives, restores confidence, relieves pain, and gives people a reason to smile again. You've chosen a profession that is demanding, but also incredibly rewarding. So enjoy the good moments when they come, and the key is to be gentle with yourself while staying committed to improving. And you don't have to be perfect right now. You don't have to be perfect ever, really. You don't have to have every skill mastered. You don't have to have every answer to every question. Your only job should be to grow gradually, consistently, and patiently, one CE course at a time, one case at a time, 1 week at a time. So the next time you find yourself overwhelmed or doubting your abilities or your fit for dentistry, I want you to remember this. You chose a profession that is tough because it is worth it, and you are absolutely capable of thriving in it. So focus on your improvement, give yourself grace, and use the unbelievable opportunities out there that you have to become better. The dentistry you dream of practicing, the confident, efficient, well-rounded version, is coming, and sooner than you might think. I'll give you guys a little behind the scenes here. As the year has been coming to a close this year of 2025, I've been doing a lot of reflecting on my own journey, and I've really been enjoying focusing more on the mental of mental dental. I have a whole lot of dental content, but there's also a big mental component of mental health and taking care of yourself. So hopefully you've been enjoying these more recent videos, these motivational type videos. If you have, please like this video and let me know in the comments down below as well. I have a lot more ideas that I'm working on, and I always appreciate your support. Also, if you haven't already, I would love if you subscribed to this channel, Mental Dental, for more videos like this one and other educational content as well. Guys, I hope you're doing great out there. I hope you have a wonderful end to your year if you're watching this in 2025. And until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless all of you, and I'll see you in the next video.